Paint is very, very nice. Car runs and drives excellent. Never rusted, never rotted. All original body panels, all original floors. Original trunk mat that's disintegrated on the inside, but it's the original mat. The car doesn't leak one drop. Very nice, real Chevelle SS. Absolutely guaranteed original car. Has all the telltale signs. Box control arms. Return line to the original fuel pump. Bigger collar with the screw in it for the steering. Everything is right on. It's absolutely a real car.